With the shading.
Yes. This is an AI shade.
AI is now very important, and as an educational institute, one of the most famous institute in the country, with our 16 plus 2 more, 18 campus now coming up, we feel that this is something we have to take the leadership to propagate among young people the importance of AI. So let me start with telling that AI was initially artificial intelligence. Then we started calling it advanced intelligence because it's not artificial. And now we are calling it the real intelligence. So very soon the name of AI will become RI. That is the real intelligence. 5 years from now, AI will be the no more artificial, no more advanced also. It will be in our daily life. Real intelligence, yeah. Everything that we do in our daily life, chota, AI is already a part of it. It will become a bigger part of it. You all use Blinkit. 10 minutes delivery. Blinkit. Sangeeta was telling me yesterday that one Sherwani company is giving Sherwani in 1 hour. What's that company? Manavar. Famous, very famous. So you can get a Sherwani in 1 hour. And you can see the Sherwani coming in the car. Not in motorcycle, like Swiggy. Can't carry Sherwani in motorcycle. Small examples of our life, touching our life every day, is now there is something called artificial intelligence, which is now advanced intelligence, which is a real intelligence. So we have made this the theme of this year, along with our paid basic theme, which is sustainability. Now AI also is an element that improves sustainability. Now there's a book will be released on AI in hospitality on the opening ceremony in Goa on the 2nd of February in the Kala Academy in the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and the Honorable Tourism Minister of Goa, Mr. Rohan Kunte, and 50 countries, chefs, young chefs, mentors, and over 42 judges who are flying from all over the world. And of course, the cream de la cream of the hospitality industry are in Goa, including Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, Nakul Anand, and Nate. So this book will be also a book that will change the way that hospitality education will change, not just in India, but in the world. So we made it simple for people, young people and ordinary people, people like you and me, for whom AI sometimes sounds very kind of difficult, mera paas mein nahi hai. But we made it very simple. What we did, we made it A to Z. A to Z. A for apple jaisa hota na? So we made A for automated intelligence, B for something, C for something. We wrote the book in a very simplistic way, very in a way that also embodies the human touch and very, very easy to understand.